Today I'm going to share with you guys a huge testimonial of someone who started with zero and picked it up all the way to $30,000 per month in commissions, right? With our platform, strategies, mindset, anything that's going to help us to increase the income of our business. So guys, if you guys do not know Joshua Ong, just a quick introduction. Joshua is one of our top affiliates for Perpetual Income 365. And he's also one of the top performing, I would say, like he's one of the 5 figures earners in PI 365. So far, we have about 3 to 4 5 figures earners with us, and he is one of them. Up and coming superstar, and he has tripled basically from the 10K mark, just tripled it all the way to 30K.
Yeah, so I started affiliate marketing back in 2017 actually, so it's about 4 years already. But back then I was just dabbling all around, wasn't really serious, didn't get any consistent results at all. It was until in late 2019, it's about almost 2 years now, 1.5 years. I got serious affiliate marketing, right? Because my bond ended in July 2020, right? So about like half a year before my bond ended, I'm like, crap, I had to do something, right? Because if I don't do something right now, if things don't change, then if I don't do anything different, then nothing will change, right? So I really, really wanted to leave my job, and it was like COVID period as well, right? So it was really, really busy, really, really stressed. So that's where I like kind of drew the line in the sand, and then decide that it's time that I take massive action. And so that since then started organic marketing, did high ticket, did low ticket, did all the stuff, mid ticket. Most people who are just starting out, we are all skeptical. So I was skeptical as well, right? So I did my own research, bought a couple of ClickBank products, did make money, but not massive. And it was like, by luck that I made some sales. And then, joined a couple of programs. And then back in 2018, I was a bit unlucky because in 2018, I joined a program, and then it was a high ticket program, but like few months after, like FTC, the US FTC shut them down because they were like over promising, but they were under delivering, right? That's the issue here. And guys, if you're watching this video right now, if you're watching this replay, or you're watching live right now, you're part of Perpetual Income 365, and you guys are just paying like less than $50 a month, and you don't and I would say that most people here don't show up, right? It's freaking insane, guys. Like Shawn is a freaking killer, right? He's doing more than 100K a month, right? He's doing more than 100K a month, and you guys are in this group. You guys have to literally see the value in here, being in this group, doing the bi-weekly calls from Shawn. The only issue with low ticket is that when people only will pay attention if they pay more, right? The more you pay, the more you pay attention. So if you guys are in this group, have the mindset that, hey, you're paying like $500 a month just to be in this group, and make sure you watch all the live trainings from Shawn, because you don't know how much value.
Yeah.
You guys don't know how much value. Yeah, but you gotta have the mindset that you guys are paying that much. If not, you won't value what Shawn brings on the table, right? And why organic marketing was simply because I felt it was the easiest way to making a sale is pretty simple, right? Making a sale, it's all about making a recommendation, right? You gotta be a trusted authority to someone else, and it's all about making a recommendation, right? So understanding people's problems and how your product, your service is able to help people solve that problem, right? And it's all about communication skills, right? Writing emails is all about communicating, right? You need to know how the human psychology and how people think as well.
I think there's some golden nuggets that Josh actually pulled out, and that's actually the more you pay, the more serious you're gonna get. That's actually one of the things that most successful people have. Like it's just part of their character, because your attention goes where your money goes. Does it make sense? Right? So if you were to pay a huge amount of money, you'll naturally you'll naturally be drawn to whatever that you're paid because it's so much money. But what we're trying to make you see here is that the value that we are bringing in this program, although we can charge a lot higher, we do not want to do so. So value every single training that we have. We are going to bring in tons of good training for you guys, right? And this is exactly what Josh has done, right? So this is what he have done. He basically took advantage of all the trainings and he went all in.
So only two ways to do it, right? Free and paid, right? But the truth is, free is never really free, right? Because you're still spending your own time, right? And I think from what I've seen personally, people who are doing more organic, like for example, they're doing blogging or they're doing YouTube or they're doing TikTok, naturally, to be honest, they are able to build a slightly stronger personal brand. Simply because people found them organically, people are able to resonate to them as a person, right? You get to see the person's profile, you get to see the person's face, you get to see the person's messenger, rather than just getting emails from them, right? Having that being said, right, of course, the one very reason why I transitioned to paid traffic is because scalability, right? It's all about scalability. With organic marketing, I did my highest month was I think 26 or 27 USD. Was the highest month I pulled in commissions doing organic, right? But it was tiring, right? It was tiring, and I kind of hit my ceiling, right? That was my ceiling. I couldn't scale past that. So I think the thing that you guys have to really, really ask yourself and need to really ponder would be which skill set you are able to spend the same amount of time every single day, but your income becomes scalable. The mindset I had even before I bought my first traffic, the mindset I had before I even started email marketing was like, is this real or not? Is it scam or not? Because the truth is I've bought solo ads before, like many months back, but didn't really make it work, right? And the small truth is that a lot of vendors out there, a lot of solo ad vendors out there scam people, right? Like I've been like quote unquote scammed before, right? And I call the vendors out, right? And I literally call the vendors out, and that's the small issue that I have with this industry, is because these people aren't just unethical and they just spoil the name of solo ads, and people then solo ads has a bad rap, right? But the thing is, most people do not know how to make solo ads work. So that's why I had that mindset that, hey, solo ads is a scam, solo ads does not work, right? So that's why before I bought my first traffic, I was like, bit contemplating, does this really work, right? But yeah, of course, right? So I've literally seen the results of others. I've seen your results as well, Shawn, and yeah, so that gave me the confidence that, hey, just test, right? I mean, like at the end of the day, it's all about testing, right? And that's about marketing, right? Marketing is all about testing, split testing, and finding which is the winner, right? Similar to like solo ads, right? Testing which vendors are better, which vendors are giving you more sales, right? So similar with any kind of traffic, similar with when I first got started, my mindset was like, hey, this could be a scam, but test it out, right? So yeah, so that's why I tested it out, and then and then of course, once when I see the first couple of results, once you see the first couple of results, then you'll start to like have the belief factor, right? So once when you have the belief, so Tony Robbins has this, this entire cycle, right? The 4 cycle, right? The 4 cycle is, first it starts from the mindset, right? The mindset. Once you believe something is possible, then your results, your performance will increase, and once when your performance increase, then your results will get better, and because your results get better, then your mindset will become even better as well. So it's an entire cycle, right? But the thing is, if your mindset is bad, then you'll not perform well, your results will really suck, and because your result sucks, that will affect your mindset as well, right? So it's an entire cycle. So first I invested the traffic, and then I saw the results. It was nothing really massive, because I forgot how much. Probably my first run was like 500 clicks or like 1K clicks. It was nothing really massive, right? But yeah, so once when I saw the results, and hey, this works. I literally, until this month, or was it end of last month, only I drew out profits for my business, right? So for like more than for the entire 6 months, I've been reinvesting every single thing, right? So cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out. I've been reinvesting 100% until like I forgot when was my first withdrawal. I think it was last month or this month. But for the entire more than 6 months, I've been reinvesting every single thing. Didn't even cash out anything. You have to make more time.
Okay, wait.
Right?
For the record, Josh, are you still in your job?
No, I'm not. Yeah, I left my job 8 months ago already. Yeah.
8 months ago, Josh left his job, right? And now he's finding financial freedom with sending emails. Okay, so guys, you're listening to someone who has been there, done that, and that's why I'm asking this question to him. So, what would you say to someone who's trying to break free from his 9 to 5 job?
The truth is, everyone only has 24 hours a day, right? You can't have 25 hours, right? If you have 25 hours, spare me some extra. So, you either wake up earlier or you go to bed later, right? Wake up earlier or go to bed later, right? The truth is, if you don't pay the price, this is from Grant Cardone, right? This is a quote from Grant Cardone. Pay the price today so that you can pay any price in the future, right? Pay the price today so you can pay any price in the future, right? The truth is you have to make sacrifices in order for the things that matter in life, right? The things that really, really matter in life, you have to sacrifice, right? Whether is it, carving out 1 hour a day, whether you're waking up 1 hour earlier, 1 hour later to schedule emails, to, watch Shawn's replay and learn how to clean your list, how to learn how to build your list, research vendors, buy traffic, and all that stuff, right? So it's all about making time, right? And I would say it's all about making time, right? So knowing exactly what to do, right? Basically, which perpetual income offers all of it, right? Building your list, buying traffic, emailing your list, monetizing your list. Yeah, that's the basic key fundamentals, right? You don't need to do customer support. You know, to learn how to do Facebook ads. You don't have to worry about your Facebook account getting banned and all that stuff, right? So I would say email marketing it's less of a headache as compared to other business models. So it's all about making time. Yeah.